Rain, headlight, water, reflection, nighttime. It doesn't get any better than this. This lens here is a 50mm 0.95 from ttartisan. They sent it over for me to go out and do a little bit of street photography with, so that's exactly what I'm going to do today. I'm going to do some day stuff and some night stuff. All photos in today's video are edited with my presets, link description, 114 for £10. If you're not already, maybe consider subscribing, hit the notification bell, and also hit the like button. If you want to go and comment anything, go down below and comment 50mm 0.95. Also, I'm back to daily videos. Today I've got the 50mm 0.95 from ttartisan. I've made the beginner mistake, which everybody can make. I've come out and I've got no SD card. So the first mission is let's go get an SD card. Okay, the SD card gods have rectified the situation. I found one in my bag, randomly loose, so I don't know why it was in there, but I am not complaining. I've got it in. It's a 64 gig, so still got plenty to work with. I'm gonna head into Carnaby Street and just see what's about. There is a double exposure that I like to do up here. It's getting to that stage where lights are gonna start coming on, and I'm thinking with the bokeh of this lens, I think it could look pretty sick. So we'll yeah, see what's about. Honestly, it's going to be busy out tonight, so. Okay, so the way I'm going to start this one off is when you're in a situation like this, it's really super busy, you don't really know what to shoot because it's so hectic. Look for subtle details. So in the windows, shop windows, you've got a couple of things you can use. One, you can use the reflection from the window, but you've also got mirrors behind. So just over there, there's a mirror that you can use. So we're going to use that. I'm going to stand slightly to the right. I'm going to pull focus onto the ground behind me, and then when someone walks through the frame, I want a single. Oh, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Sick. And then taking that same principle, there's another mirror here. This is like a circular one. This one here, which is actually really nice. I reckon I could probably get someone's frame. Oh my god, that's sick. Okay, so looking through this is a reflection. I'm going to try and pick out one subject from behind me. Bam. So just something really subtle like that, super works. Sorry, I wasn't being weird, I was taking a photo through the mirror. All good? Okay, so out of all of the POVs that I've done, I've never used this before. I've always looked at this whole alleyway, which is full of mirrors, as you can see, but I've never actually used it in a video. I never really knew how I should shoot it, but I've kind of just realized. So if we come to this corner, look back in, come back just slightly, there's like an angle just to like the left hand side that looks really like unique because you get like the feet and the head in 2 different locations. So hopefully this dude will go to the left hand side. Yes, we got it. So throw him off now, bam. Oh, that's just multiple heaven, that is. Oh mate. I'm going to come back and I'm going to do that with an auto camera, auto lens, because with the manual it's quite hard to focus on something specific. I'm going to come back. I might try that later on when it's a bit darker as well. Maybe the lights will look sick. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, as always, OpticalWander POV. There's got to be a bus shot, so this dude's going to be stopped at the traffic lights. So we're going to go 0.95. We're going to get super detailed on this. We're going to come to the right slightly. Pull that focus. Okay, so tourist up here, phone sticking out of the top, proper like touristy shot. Bam, like so. We're gonna get just in the mirror, just the driver himself, like that. That's sick. Okay, nice little detail shot here. Just with the arm, just kind of like resting on the side. Okay. I do love a manual lens. I mean, look at this dude. See if we can get this framed up nicely as he walks through. This is speed. Oh, did I get it? Because it's obviously a 50mm, I think I was too punched in, but I've got the top half. Is it in focus though? I don't think it was quite in focus, but the vibe of definitely works. So that was all like choppy because obviously these dudes all listen to like random music and I don't want to get a copyright strike, so I chop it all up. and make it usable. Good of me to head towards Covent Garden without dipping through Chinatown. So there's this nice corner shot here of just the neon lights. Let's throw it on 0.95. We're going to make it like super dreamy. I'm going to focus on the neon light, and then hopefully people going through the frame will be all blown out. One of the things I've always wanted in Chinatown is that I would have loved to have these lanterns turned on. Like if they were all lit up, it would look so fucking sick. Like it would look so good. But let's push down. Let's see what we can find. Let's kind of dip through this crowd. Kind of like get out of this mess because it's yeah, absolutely hectic. Have to get good money. Which actually is quite a challenge. It's a nice challenge to try and shoot in this hectic environment. But yeah, definitely a challenge. And if you guys haven't shot since all the restrictions have ended in the UK, definitely head out. Dude on the phone here, we're gonna grab it. It's really nice lighting. And the more you use manual lenses as well, you're gonna get used to that process of how quick can you pull focus, how quick can you... You're never gonna be as quick as autofocus on modern cameras. It's just not gonna happen, but you can get close to it. With the lights behind, it looks so sick. Full in focus. Bam. Looks really nice with the bokeh behind. I've got a POV coming up soon with the Fujifilm camera. I have a Fujifilm camera from Fujifilm, which I'm super excited to shoot with. I've never done a POV with Fujifilm. Yeah, coming soon. Honestly, low light in London, it just pops all of those colors and it just looks like super sick. What else can we get? I very rarely shoot Trafalgar, but I mean, right now, because there's so much going on, let's see if we can get some detailed stuff. I don't know. Oh, this driver's hand, he's gonna get stuck. So we'll, yeah, we'll get that shot, obviously. Punching in, full in focus. Bam. It's just of your hand, don't worry, I can't see you or anything. Okay, have a good night. Okay, super ideal conditions right now. It's starting to rain, quite heavy actually. Oh, this is just going. This is just dreamy. This is my bread and butter. No. Yes. Rain, headlights, water, reflection, nighttime. It doesn't get any better than this. Taxis. Ooh. That's nice. Sick. Got the front end. Just with that water, it just adds that extra, like, that vibe. Apparently, it didn't rain here. Mad. It was raining in Trafalgar. There's a bit, you know, a couple of drops here and there, but not a lot. Yeah, I absolutely love this cafe here with these neon lights. So we're going to reduce the ISO. Let's go 100 ISO, full focus. Let's jump inside there, get a bit closer. Oh, absolutely lovely. I mean, I don't think there's a better space to end the video on, really. You can't. Look at it. Look at that shot. Absolutely look at that shot. If you stay this long, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Let's jump into that hashtag and see which of your photos you've been shooting, what have you been up to, what have you been doing. Let's go. Okay, the shoot went really well. Let's jump into the hashtag and see what you guys have been shooting. Now, the lens itself is really well built. It's really good quality. The feel is like, it's all metal, which is nice. So you don't have that like plasticky feel, which you get sometimes with cheaper lenses. It's a really good price. I'll link it below if you're interested. They have a bunch of other lenses as well. Go and check them out. Really good. Well and made. Well made, good, well made. Good. They're very well made. There we go. Great England. Okay, the hashtag is currently at 135,000 posts. Going to click on the most recent and we're going to scroll down from the top. This one here is a nice one from Darivan B. Nice little street shot there. This one here from Chris G Media. Wow, that smoke is insane. That's really sick. Wow. Okay, going down, that moon shot from Ronin JPEG. And then you've got Kingy Photos, maybe? The next one is from Valentina Goldina. A nice little portrait set. And then you've got this street one here. This dude's obviously very happy. I like his Converses, look at those. I used to have a cool pair of Converses. They used to have like the anarchy sign on the side. It was really cool. If you do want to get featured on the channel, make sure you use the hashtag OpticalWander over on Instagram, and then I review it at the end of every video. And I'm doing a video a day, so high chance that you're going to get on here. Next one is from Michael J. Turner. Nice little detailed shot there, which is really, really nice. Love that you've like crushed those greens, so it's like, oh, it's that dark, moody tone. I love that. Next one is from Visuals K. Getting those night highlights in the low light. Low light can be difficult. Have you tried low light? If you have, comment down below and let me know. Next one is dkbnw.photography. Nice black and white set. And we'll do one more. And it's this one here from Giorgio Dote. That's really, really cool. These animals are insane. I want to call them tree pandas. They've got a weird name. I can't remember what they're called. Fox panda? Panda fox? Panda fox? Tree panda? On that terrible note. If you guys have been out shooting this week, let me know in the comments what you've been up to. And I'm going to be doing some live streams again on YouTube. So if you're keen, I'm going to be doing a FFA. I'm going to be talking about that in a video this week. FFA stands for free for all. I'm going to give you some photos. You can go edit them, and then we'll have a look to see what you guys have been doing. And maybe I'll hold a little competition. Thank you all so much for 50k again. It's so humbling, and it's honestly amazing that there's 50,000 of you subscribed to me. So if you're watching this, I really appreciate you a lot, and yeah, if you've got a spare second, maybe hit the subscribe button. Create more, stress less, and I'll see you in the next one. This hoodie is from my friend Jack at Old Elton Studio, and I'm going to go head down and see him this week, so there's some content coming in, it's pretty cool.